Clicks on links and buttons is the most common trigger used by digital analytics tags. In this video, I will show you how to set up a click trigger. To demonstrate how this works, we are going to set up a click trigger to track the clicks on Contact Us button on Optizen's site. So log into your Piwik Pro account, go to Tag Manager and click on Triggers. Click on Add New Trigger. Let's give this trigger a name. I'm going to call it button click because that's what we are going to track. Next, select the trigger type, which is click in this case. Click trigger tracks all the clicks on your site. Click on next. Now we do not want this trigger to fire on all the clicks. We only want this to fire on button clicks. So in that case, we are going to set up a condition. So click on when conditions are met. Here you get a drop-down list of the variables that you can choose to track the particular clicks. So as you'll notice here, there are click IDs, click URL, click classes, etc. Generally on a website, each element or element type either has a particular ID or class. Element ID is generally unique to each element. Element class is generally unique to the class of elements. So in our case, it's a button, and most likely it's going to be a class that I'm going to use. Now, before I set it up, I have to verify what's the common thing that I can use. So let's go back to Optizen so that I can show you what I'm going to be using. And here is our Contact Us button. Right click on it and click on Inspect. This opens up the complete HTML. The button that we want to track has a class of button. It's a link and has a class of button. And that's what we are going to use. Every button that shows up on my site has a class of button. So this way we can track all the buttons, and then we can isolate which button was clicked by using some other variables. So let's go back to Piwik Pro and use this class. So in Piwik Pro, click on the variable options and pick click classes. Next, pick the operator that you want to use to match that condition. Contains, doesn't contain, equal, etc. I am going to leave it as contains. I could have also used equals. Either will work. And then type in button. So now, whenever an element is clicked and it contains the class button, it will fire this trigger. So that's all you have to do. Leave everything else as is and click on OK. Now our button click trigger is ready. However, the trigger by itself is not going to do much. We need to assign it to a tag. And that's what I'm going to show you in the next video. For now, go ahead and practice creating a click trigger, and I will see you in the next video.